I got sober without believing in God, and yet the 12 steps is part of my recovery. So that may sound contradictory. Honestly, I had to figure out this getting sober within the traditional confines of a 12-step program. So when we hear 12-step recovery, it's higher power, God, surrender, faith. And if you don't believe in God, then it's really alienating. And I had to do a lot of mental gymnastics, God, good orderly direction. It was just really a pain for me. And it's a deterrent for a lot of people that want to get sober but do not believe in God. And so they're like, well, I can't get recovery. I don't believe in a God, so I'm not going to get sober. So I want to tell you that it actually works to work a program and not have a higher power. It's possible. So I'm going to tell you what worked for me. So I'm Crystal Hamilton, and this is part of my Sober Without God series. I'm not here to tell you what to believe, how to believe. I'm just here to tell you my own experience, that I was able to get sober, stay sober, have a lot of mental health challenges after that, and then build a marriage, build a career, become a licensed counselor, and be a good citizen. And so I just want to share that this is possible without believing in God. So before I talk about the steps, I need to let you know a little bit where I was. So in my drinking, I bounced around from state to state. I was definitely in the tornado. Part of it was, early 20s. I was in college. I'm like, this is what you do in college, right? You party until, it got out of hand, right? So somehow I stumbled my way through hangovers and got a degree. But my last couple years of drinking was really depressing. I was